Good morning, my name's Kelly and I'm from Wheesht Masks and welcome to our first IGTV. Today we're going to be doing one of our clay face mask videos and I'm going to be using our spirulina and lemongrass clay mask. They come in powder and what I've done is I've mixed it up and it's ready to go into my face. So it won't be a second and I'm just going to cleanse my skin and then start applying my face mask with my little brush. Alright, won't be a second. And I'm back. Hello. I'm here with my clay mask and I've pre-mixed it. So I've popped a teaspoon or two in a little bowl, mixed it with some water into a paste and I'm going to apply it with my brush. This lovely mask contains green clay, Brazil clay, spirulina algae, which is very nourishing, and lemongrass essential oil, which gives us a slight tingle and helps give us a lovely glow. The clay will give us a deep detox because I'm oily, quite oily in the T-zone area, so it'll give us a deep detox. So I've cleansed my skin, it's slightly damp and I'm going to apply it with my brush. So I'm just going to apply it, I'm just going to start my nose there. You can see it's a lovely green colour. It's a lovely spirulina algae. Here we go. And I'm just going to apply it to my T-zone area. As you can see, I've already prepped and popped on my hairband to stop my hair getting in the way there. And we want to apply it to our skin so the skin's already clean and it's slightly damp. And I'm going to avoid our gentle eye area. I'm going to get in here because I've got quite large pores. So I want to get in and just cover them with our clay there. Avoiding our eye area. And I'm also going to do my chin and my cheeks. Now this lovely mask smells amazing. It's fresh lemongrass essential oil. So it's a lovely fresh smell. It actually gives you a zesty scent. You know, a lovely citrusy scent. So it's ideal to use, you know, if you're looking for a wake up mask, if you're looking to revive after a hard day, any sort of you time spa treatment, this one is ideal for. And the little bowl and the spoon I've mixed with and the brush, that also comes in our gift box. So if you're looking for a gift for someone who wants vegan and cruelty free products, this is the one for them. It's very easy to use. You just mix a teaspoon with some water in the little tub and apply to the skin. Now you can go further down if you wish, but I'm just going to go just slightly under my chin because I'm quite an oily person. So this mask here, I've used 2 of these little spoons and 1 and a bit of water to mix it together into a paste. And I've still got a little bit left, so I'm just going to go over some areas here. You can see I've avoided the eye area because you don't want it in your eyes at all. I'm just going to do my lip here. It's a very gentle brush as well, easy to use, easy to apply. There we are. And you just leave this on your skin for about 5 to 8 minutes. You don't leave it till it's fully hard, until it's set. You don't want to do that, especially if you have oily skin, because what that will do will increase our own oil's natural sebum production, so we'll end up more oily, and that's not what we want. We want to regulate our oil production. So we just want to take away any dirt and grime, any excess oil with this mask, clean our skin, pat it dry, and then use our normal moisturiser or tone or serum afterwards, okay? We don't want to leave it 10, 15, 20 minutes. You don't want to do that because you don't want to increase the sebum production. You want to keep it just all at its natural level. So we're just taking away a little bit of excess at the moment. That's all that you're doing. And giving the skin a good clean. If you've got any sort of blocked pores, it's going to unblock the pores. I'm just getting in there because I have quite large pores. If you can maybe see. Great face, isn't it? A great face for a video here. There we are. There we go. There we are. As you can see, it's already started to clay up round here. So I'm just going to leave it for about 5 to 8 minutes and then I'm going to take it off with a warm cloth. If you've got any questions, just give us a little DM, give us a like, give us a little comment, and we'll get back to you when we can. Alright, but thanks very much for watching our very first IGTV, and good morning, happy Face Mask Friday, we'll see you all soon. Bye bye now.